Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Supabase and Neon. In order to do so, here we are at supabase.com and we're also at neon.tech. Let's go ahead and break down the comparison between Supabase and Neon using Cider AI. Both Supabase and Neon serve distinct purposes in the realm of database management and application development. Supabase is an open source backend as a service platform designed to provide developers with a robust set of tools for building applications quickly. It combines a post-GRE SQL database with additional features like authentication, real-time capabilities, storage, and auto-generated APIs. Its key features include a fully managed post-GRE SQL database that handles data storage and management, has the ability to listen to database changes in real time, built-in user authentication and management, object storage for handling files, images, etc. It automatically generates RESTful APIs based on your database schema. It has a user-friendly interface for managing your database and application. It's ideal for full-stack applications requiring quick setup. It supports applications with real-time data needs and is suitable for projects needing user authentication and file storage. Neon, on the other hand, is a serverless post-GRE SQL database designed to leverage cloud-native architecture. It focuses on providing a highly scalable and efficient database solution that can automatically adjust resources based on demand. Key features include automatically scaling up or down based on the workload, allowing cost-effective performance. It supports creating database branches for development and testing, enabling easier collaboration within teams. It's fully compatible with post-GRE SQL, making it easy to integrate existing applications. It's designed for high performance and efficiency in terms of query execution and resource usage. It offers streamlined management services for database operations. It's best for applications with variable or unpredictable workloads that require a flexible database solution. It's suitable for projects where rapid scaling is essential, such as microservices or high traffic applications. It's ideal when branching and collaboration among developers are needed. In conclusion, choose Supabase if you need an all-in-one backend solution with real-time features including authentication, storage, and API generation. It's great for developers looking to quickly build applications without deep infrastructure management. On the other hand, choose Neon if your primary need is a flexible serverless post-GRE SQL database that can adapt to various demands and provides ease of management and collaboration among development teams. Both provide excellent solutions, but the choice ultimately depends on your project recommendations. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, go ahead and take a look at the link in the description, and there you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code Skillcraft60 for 60% off Sintra AI. You'll also find links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. If you click on those links to get started, you'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.